Today's video is a review of my Louis Vuitton fur scarf. My husband actually surprised me with this and he purchased it in Las Vegas. So it's this beautiful mink scarf with this monogram gray and black print all over one side. And the other side is just a pure black color. So it's very versatile, and they also have this little silver logo on the black side as well, so it's not just entirely plain. The print of the monogram logo is consistent throughout. Even when you brush the furs, you can still see that they maintain the pattern of the logo. On the tag of the scarf, you'll see that the material listed is called Neovison Vison, which is just another word for American mink. And also, as denoted on the tag, the trim is 100% calf leather. And the trim is actually found in the opening right here where you would loop your scarf together. So there is a good 1/2 inch trim all the way around this opening right here. So this scarf has a retail price of $22.90. And unfortunately, it's not listed on Louis Vuitton's site, probably because this is a geographic specific item. Louis Vuitton's site also has a few other mink items, but those range around $4,000 and up. So to find this for $22.90 is actually surprisingly much less than the other ones listed. And another interesting thing to note about this scarf is it's actually listed as a menswear item, but the sales associates were telling my husband that mostly women were purchasing this item, and I can see why. So now I'm going to show you what the scarf looks like once worn. So I'm first going to show you with the monogram side facing outwards. So you can either wear this scarf a little bit offset, where as you can see the ends are not the same length. So one thing to note, that if you are wearing it with the all black side, the Louis Vuitton tag will be showing on the bottom. Granted, it is in this dark navy blue color, so it's not that noticeable. And lastly, if you were purchasing this out of the area and you are flying or traveling and want to collapse this box, it is quite easy to do so. They have 2 bright blue tabs here in the center, so we're just going to lift up those tabs and the box will collapse. You see, it can go quite flat.